Housecall Pro has successfully carved out a specific segment within the market for field service management software. On the other hand, how many businesses are making use of its capabilities, and what does this tell us about the competitive landscape of the industry? A deep dive into the user base of Housecall Pro, an analysis of its market share, and an investigation into the influence that it has on the financial health of service firms are all included in this video. Before delving into user numbers, let's establish Housecall Pro's core offering. It's a cloud-based software specifically designed for home service companies like plumbers, electricians, HVAC technicians, and cleaners. Housecall Pro streamlines operations by providing features such as appointment scheduling and dispatch, manage customer appointments, dispatch field technicians efficiently, and optimize scheduling for maximum productivity. Job management, create and track work orders, assign tasks to technicians, and monitor job progress in real time. Estimates and invoicing, generate professional estimates, send invoices electronically, and collect payments seamlessly. Customer communication, facilitate communication with customers through integrated messaging tools. Reporting and analytics, gain valuable insights into business performance through detailed reports and analytics. By automating these tasks and providing a centralized platform, Housecall Pro helps businesses improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance customer service, key factors for financial success. Quantifying the user base, available data and considerations. While Housecall Pro doesn't publicly disclose its exact user base, several data sources provide insights. Housecall Pro's website, their About Us section claims over 40,000 businesses use their platform. Market research firms, companies like Enlift and 6 Sense estimate Housecall Pro's user base to be around 3,282 and 3,693 companies respectively. It's important to acknowledge discrepancies in these numbers. Housecall Pro's figure might include inactive users or free trial accounts, while market research firms might undercount smaller businesses. Market share and industry trends. While user base gives a general idea of popularity, market share paints a clearer picture of Housecall Pro's standing within the industry. Here's what we know. Housecall Pro competes with various appointment scheduling and field service management software solutions. Major competitors include Calendly, Acuity Scheduling, and MyTime. Specific market share data for Housecall Pro is limited, but it's likely a significant player, especially within the home service industry segment. The increasing adoption of field service management software indicates a growing trend towards tech-enabled business operations. Businesses recognize the efficiency gains and improved customer experiences these tools offer. For businesses considering Housecall Pro, the financial impact is a primary concern. Here's a breakdown of the costs and potential benefits. Costs. Housecall Pro offers tiered subscription plans with varying features and pricing. The base cost can range from a few $100s to over $1,000 per month depending on the company size and needed features. Benefits. Potential benefits include increased efficiency, reduced administrative time, optimized scheduling, improved customer service, faster response times, better communication, and increased revenue, upselling opportunities, faster invoicing. The financial impact ultimately depends on a business's specific circumstances. However, studies have shown that field service management software can lead to significant ROI, return on investment, through improved operational efficiency and increased sales. While user base and market share offer valuable insights, Housecall Pro's impact extends beyond just numbers. Here are some qualitative factors to consider. Improved customer experience. Streamlined scheduling, communication, and payment processes can enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. Positive reviews and referrals can further boost a business's reputation and attract new customers. Empowered field technicians. Mobile access to job details, scheduling, and communication tools can empower technicians to work more efficiently and independently. This can lead to increased job satisfaction and productivity. Data-driven decision-making. Housecall Pro's reporting and analytics capabilities provide valuable insights into business performance. This data can be used to optimize pricing, identify growth opportunities, and make informed strategic decisions. While the exact number of Housecall Pro users might vary across sources, the available data indicates a significant user base and growing market share. The software's impact goes beyond just numbers, offering financial benefits through improved efficiency and potential revenue growth. Additionally, Housecall Pro empowers businesses to deliver exceptional customer service and make data-driven decisions.